Good Monday, Bad Moon Rising Monday. Again, stuff, you can't make this stuff up, folks. Market obviously has been on edge since last week. Lehman, AIG, WAMU, Bank of America buying Merrill. It's all been told now. This stuff's been out there for weeks. The SPOOs are trading 12.13. Interestingly enough, they did tick a new low here this morning at 4.13. To go along with that, I'll just mention that the full moon was this morning at 4.13. You can't make this stuff up. 4.13 was the low so far of this move, which again, 12.03 we ticked. 12.05 was our old high, our old low in July. So here we are, mid-September. We may be nearing a bottom here. It seems like the 17th has been around the bottom time, so today's the 15th, 16th, 17th, puts us to Wednesday. Maybe we have 3 days of selling before this thing rolls over. The way I'm going to play it today, I'm going to be selling all rallies off the open here for sure. Again, I'll be kind of looking for that first hour to give me some determination. There's already been some good trades overnight. Yesterday we traded up to 12.30 and then back down to 12.03. So the easy money I think has been made on the downside. But I think you can still short. We've made new lows, but just marginally. And we sold yesterday the rest of our euro dollar, which was a good move because that came back in, and I've resold that again, repurchased that. I was long that. It went up, came back down as the dollar rallied from 77 to 79, and we're back in that. So it's been an interesting night for everybody, I'm sure. And again, we're totally trading the Z contract now, so make sure you've got your Z contract up, and we'll be back at parts of the day. But it is 6 o'clock here, straight up, 5:54 actually, and in a few minutes the market will open in about 36 minutes, and I need to put all of our attention there. Oil is down, traded down to the 95s. It's actually 96.14 right now, and you've got, again, massive deflation press been being put on everywhere. AIG again is trading in the 5s, 6s. It's been cut in half from the 12s. That looks like it's going to 0. Washington Mutual is back in the 1s. That looks like it's going to 0. Bank of America bought Merrill Lynch for about 0.85, so it wasn't even a pure of shares. So it wasn't even a pure cash transaction like they were saying yesterday, which was 44 billion. It is a stock transaction, so you're looking at about $22 a share there from the 17 close. You know, it's a good deal, but I don't know why Bank of America had a rush to buy them today. They could have waited for a washout today. So there's definitely some pressure being put on by the U.S. government, in my opinion, in these closed doors meetings. Again, the shadow banking needs to go bye-bye. I don't know if this is going to do it, but they're going to wipe out a number of companies this morning. And the next shoe to follow will, of course, be the regional and the super regional banks. So we're getting done with the big investment banks first. Next will come the little banks. So this is going to trickle all the way down to Main Street. We're just starting in Wall Street, and Main Street follows Wall Street. So keep that in mind. Have a good trading day. Again, your pivots today. You're looking at, on the ES, your pivot is around 12.21. So we have traded up to that a couple times. 12.21, 12.22 is your day pivot. Your S1 is right here around 12.08. Your S2 is 11.97, and then below that you go all the way down to about 11.73. So those are your key numbers on the downside. 11.73 looks possible. I would say 11.97, your S2 will be hit. If you go above 12.22, 12.23, which was our overnight high, again, it was trading right around there. You've got to respect that and maybe jump long. But right now, there's no point in trying to catch knives here. There's no hurry to be long. I think we will make significant new lows, and I think we will close on new lows today. Once retail wakes up, gets on board, and sees what's happening and how bad it is. Again, this all started yesterday when trading opened at 3 a.m. Pacific. You've had a head start on retail if you're involved with the market. So this stuff's been happening. They even had a derivative sessions yesterday for the big banks. So people have been trading now for quite a while, going on about 18 hours. So this is not a new thing, and you want to keep this in mind. So that's it. Again, we should go lower this morning. We'll see how we trade. There's been some good swings already. Everything's going to be pushed down. Oil, stocks, interest rates are going to be even pushed down further today. Everything is showing massive deflationary pressure this morning, which should not be a surprise. Full moon, 4:13 this morning. The bottom was hit at 4:13. Can't make this stuff up, folks. Talk to you later.